You are welcome to our today's lesson. And in this lesson, we'll be talking about what quadratic equation. Not just method of solving quadratic equation, but formation of what equation from what given root. There are times that root of quadratic equation is given, and you'll be told to what to derive the equation that have what the roots. So that's what we'll be learning today. Don't forget this lecture was prepared and presented by Learner Sales Group. So constructing a quadratic equation with given roots. There are times where the root of quadratic equation is given in order to derive the equation. The following examples illustrate the steps used in forming what equation with given root. Please pay attention. So, example 1. Find the equation with the following roots. I have what minus 2 all over 3 and minus 1 all over 4. So these are what the two roots. Minus 2 all over 3 and minus 1 all over 4. So the first thing for me to do is to equate this to x and equate this to x. Don't forget, since this one is what quadratic, it means the root must be 2. I will equate this to s, so x equals this, and equate this to s, which is this. Then from here, I will take this inside in order to equate it to 0. So I have x, which is this. I will take this inside. So my negative become positive. I will have x plus 2 all over 3 equals 0. And also, I will take this inside, which will give me s plus 1 all over 4 equals 0. Now 0 times 0 is 0, which means this times this is still 0. So that's why I decided what to multiply this and this to equate it to 0, because this is 0 times this is 0 equals 0. So from here, I will open the bracket, or before opening the bracket, what I will do is LCM to make it easier. So the LCM between 3 and 1 is 3. So 3 divided by 1 is 3 times x. So you have 3x. 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 2. And we have 2. So you have this. So the LCM of this and this is 4. So 4 divided by 1 is 4 times x. So you have 4x plus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1, and we have this equals 0. So from there, I will expand or open the bracket. Removing this bracket, I will have what my 3x multiply everything here, and 2 will multiply what everything here. So I have 3x times 4x plus 1, and 2 will multiply what everything. Don't forget, 3 times 12, 3 times 4 is 12. Multiplied by 0 is 0. That's why I did not see what anything below. I've already cross multiplied to make it what 12 to multiply by 0 to give me what 0. So I will have what this. So I will have what 3x open bracket 4x plus 1 plus 2 open bracket 4x plus 1. This and this, I don't forget, they must be the same. So opening this, I will have 3x plus 4x, I will have 12x squared. 3x plus 1, I will have 3x plus 2 times 4x, I will have 8x. 2 times 1, I will have 2 equals 0. So 12x squared plus 3x plus 8x will give me level x, then plus 2 equals. So this is what the equation that this root will give us. Example 2. Find the equation with the given root minus 3 and 4. So I will equate my x to minus 3 and x equals 4. So here I will take minus 3 inside to give me plus 3 equals 0, and take 4 inside to give me what minus 4 equals 0. So from here I know that 0 times 0 is 0, so I will have what this, which is 0, times this, which is 0, equals 0. So I will open this bracket by saying what this multiplied by everything here, then this multiplied by what everything here. So this x times s will give me s squared. S times minus 4, I will have what minus 4x. 3 times x, I will have 3x. 3 times minus 4, I will have what minus 12 equals 0. So I have x squared minus 4x plus 3x. I will have what minus s, then minus 12 equals 0. See, it's very short and brief. But if you don't know how to solve it like that, you think it's what very difficult. Example number 3. Also find the equation that equation having the following root, minus 1 all over 2 and 2. So I will equate x to this and x to this, which will give me x minus 1 all over 2 and s equals 2. So I will take this inside, which will give me s plus 1 all over 2 equals 0. So it was negative, became positive. And x equals positive 2 is positive. Once you come inside, it become what? Negative. So I have this. Then 0 times 0 is 0, which means this, which is 0, times this, which is 0, will still give me 0, giving me this. So from this LCM, my LCM between what? 2 and 1 is 2. So I have what? 2 divided by 1 is 2 times x. I will have 2x plus 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 1. I will have 1. Then this still remain equals 0. Then from here, I will have this 2 times 1. Then I'll cross multiply to multiply by 0 to give me 0. Then 2x times x, I will have 2x squared. 2x times minus 2, I will have minus 4x. 1 times x, I will have x. And 1 times minus 2, I will have minus 2 equals 0. So from here, we have what? 2x squared minus 4x plus x will give minus 3x. Then minus 2 equals 0. So this is what the equation that this root will give. So we have come to the end of this section. Hope the video was beneficial. Please like and share our videos and don't forget to comment below. Take your quiz to proceed to the next lesson. Thank you.